Today's show is sponsored by Windhorse for the Home, located at 106 Southeast Court Street, Paoli, Indiana. Contact them at 812-723-3535.
Good morning, I'm Audrey, and this is your PHS News Today for Friday, November 1st. Sign up for intramural dodgeball outside of Mr. Cole's room and Miss Huddleston's room. Sign-ups will end November 1st. Games will be played on Monday, November 4th, starting at 6:30. Check out what the cafeteria is serving up today. The theme for tonight's game is Boot Stomper. And now to Kaulen with your Rams Sports Report.
Thank you, Audrey. Tonight, boys varsity football will be playing in the second round of sectionals against Trident Central. At home, starting at 7. Gates will open at 5:30. Don't forget, season passes will not get you into this game. Girls varsity basketball will be starting their season on a road for a scrimmage against North Harrison. Come spoil all your Rams in action tonight. Back to you, Audrey.
And now to Adin with your weather report.
Thank you, Audrey. Looking at the weather today, we won't see any rain or snow today. Today we have a high of 49 and a low of 31. This weekend we have a high of 48 and a low of 29 on Saturday. And then on Sunday we see the temperatures rising just a little bit with a high of 52 and a low of 36. Back to you.
The Robotics Club will be having a fundraiser during lunch on Monday, November 4th and Tuesday, November 5th. Dog tags, stickers, and more. If you have any questions, please ask Miss Sarah or a robotics member. I'm Audrey, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a fantastic day.